Hello, good afternoon, Marilu. Can you please introduce yourself?
Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Marilu Manggabo Chita. I am 29 years old from Philippines. I am 7th from 12 siblings. I am married, blessed with 2 children. My eldest son is 9 years old, while my youngest son is 2 years old. I am high school graduate. I have work experience here in Philippines as a nanny for 12 years, since 2012 until 2024 in one employer.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Aside from the high salary, Hong Kong is the safest country.
Okay. What are your duties with your past employers?
I am a nanny with 3 kids, and I am multitasking also.
Multitasking. So how do you handle taking care of the kids? What are the important things that you need to do?
I am giving them a bath, feeding them, and giving them also medicine if needed,
Okay.
playing them, and helping their activities.
Okay. So can you also cook aside from taking care of the kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you love cooking?
I love cooking, ma'am.
Okay. So how many percent do you love cooking?
Like 90%, ma'am, because I am only no Filipino food, ma'am.
Filipino food, but you are willing to learn how to
Yes,
cook
ma'am.
Chinese dishes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So as a first timer in Hong Kong, if we will be given you a job offer that you need to share room with the kids or elderly, is it okay with you?
Yes, ma'am.
No, okay. So even if you don't have own room, it's okay to you?
Yes, ma'am, it's okay.
How about if you have a co-helper?
It's okay also.
It's okay also. Can you promise us not to borrow any money with your employer or lending company in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am. I promise.
Okay. Okay, thank you for that. So, message for your future employer, please.
To my future employer, I am hardworking, dedicated, friendly, loyal, and trustworthy. I guarantee you that I will follow your rules and regulation. Thank you.